Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the keyboard supports layers. Many 60% boards use an FN key to access F1, F12. Once done, install VIA or QMK Toolbox only if you intend to remap, otherwise rely on the default layer. Press and hold the FN/layer key while observing LEDs or on-screen indicators. This tells you the board is in function mode. Make sure to test a single F key now, so you know the layer engages before remapping anything. Now you map the F keys. If using VIA, open the program, switch to the FN layer, click a physical key and pick F1, F12. Save changes and test immediately. If using QMK, edit key map. See and use MO layer for momentary access or LT, layer KCFX for dual role keys, then compile and flash. Once you flash, reconnect and hold the FN key while pressing mapped keys to verify. Make sure to document which keys become F1, F12 for muscle memory. Finish by thoroughly testing each F key in real tasks, browser, editor, and media controls. This confirms both mapping and modifier behavior. Once done, adjust your operating system shortcuts so nothing conflicts with the new F layer. If keys behave inconsistently, try resetting the keyboard's EEPROM or reflash the firmware with a known good keymap backup. This often fixes sticky layers or wrong codes. If you still have issues, swap the FN key mapping to MO layer to rule out toggle state error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.